You crawl under blanket, dream about mammoth steak. But while you snore, Fed in Washington whisper, raise rates, lower rates. Suddenly, your mortgage payment changed size like hungry bear. You did nothing. Still costs go up. Real fact, Fed interest decisions affect mortgage, car loan, even latte next week. Imagine you tuck in at night, wake up and credit card APR got claws. Gurucha say, this not dream monster, it's central bank magic. Monetary policy sound boring, but a boss fight behind your whole life. Fed control how much money flow in tribe. Too much flow, prices go crazy. Too little, jobs vanish. You saw this before. 1970s oil shock, humans waiting in gas line like mammoths waiting for water hole. Or 2008 crash, where jobs fell faster than caveman off cliff. Even eggs hit $5 a dozen in 2022. Prices already gone wild before the Fed stepped in. Raising rates was their Stone Club move to cool things down so your grocery bill stops climbing. Basically, big marble cave elders swing stick to tame fire, hoping tribe can feast without famine. Humans call them expansionary and contractionary, but Gurucha says, expand or contract valve. Expand valve, elder fed twist giant money valve wide. River of credit rush through village like spring flood. Borrowing cheap, new huts rise. Jobs sprout like mushrooms after warm rain. Perfect when economy dry and tired. Contract valve, elder spin will tight. Flow slows to careful stream. Cooling prices before they boil pot. Credit costs more, but tribes safe from flood of runaway inflation. Good when market fire too hot for hunting boots. Gurucha grunt, economy, big water system. Too much gush, village drown. Too little, crops crack. Wise elder twist valve back and forth, so tribe stays strong through every season. Real proof, in 2020, Fed slashed rates so fast even Mammoth blinked. In 1980s, Volcker raised them near 20%. Your grandpa still twitch when he hear that number. Gurucha say, economy is like big wild animal. You feed or you leash. Either way, beast notice. Fed not just press one button. They have whole bag of tricks. Change federal funds rate. The price banks charge each other overnight. Tiny tweak, huge ripple. Play open market games. Buying or selling U.S. Treasury bonds to push money into banks or suck it out, like blowing air into mammoth bladder or squeezing it dry. Quantitative easing feast. Big feast time. Buying mountains of bonds and assets. Flooding tribe with extra money like endless stew pot. Reserve requirements. Rare move. Telling banks how many nuts to hide before lending. Fewer nuts out, less lending. More nuts free. Credit flows like spring river. If they loosen too much, boom, runaway inflation. Tighten too hard, recession smack tribe in face. Gurucha imagine Fed as DJ at giant fire dance. Turn bass too high, hut shake apart. Too low, party die. Now you know marble cave magic. What do? Watch Fed announcements like Hunter Waff Sky. Budget when rates climb. Mortgage, credit card, even car loan feel heavier than mammoth bone. Save and invest wide, so one market sneeze not break your heart. Basically, stay awake while the Fed plays midnight drum. If they raise rates, you already plan. If they cut, you don't run wild like drunk cave goat. That all. Me make more soon. You subscribe or me sad. Gurucha vanish now. Poof.